Hello guys, we collect the 25. We have a lot of Strumble Guys collection with 25. Now we have a Barbie Strumble Guys collection. We have 12 blind boxes of mystery. We're gonna get one character inside. We are finding. Let's find the pink diamond banana. We are hunting the box. We can find the pink diamond banana inside these 12 boxes. Yeah! We have the Barbie. This is the Barbie character. Ooh, we got a gamer.
Wow!
And my brother got a sparkle fan guy. I got a gamer. We got instructions. And my brother got Barbie fan guy. I got instructions. And my brother got a Barbie fan guy. I got instructions.
Wait!
Yay, bola. And we got a pink diamond banana.
Yay!
We find it hunted.
Yay!
Ooh, I got a sparkle can. My brother got Megalodon with gray, and I have sparkle can. My brother got Ken. I have Brooklyn.
This is one last one. Please, I got. Yes!
Ooh, I got horse.
Whoa!
Ooh, I got a Sparkle Brooklyn. My brother got Taurus Ted. Yay! Nice dress up. Look at his sandals and shirt. Hope you guys liked this video. Thanks for watching to our vlog. Bye. Stay connected with us. Watch full video with our AJ Food and Trends. Please like, subscribe, share, comment to our vlog.
Bye! Subscribe!